Aloha everybody, Gabe here from the Hawaii Institute of Self-Reliance, his survival. Welcome back, mahalo for watching. Today's video, I'm reviewing a folding knife. Cold steel, thin wolf. Made in Taiwan, out of OS 8A steel. It's got a Scandi grind and a tri-lock system. Don't go away and check out my review of this knife. Give you a close-up of this knife. I'm not really into folders, you know, in Hawaii, and if you know my channel, a folder isn't that useful, but you know, for a backup to a backup, it's pretty cool. I'll rock a folder. And it's got some thumb studs. That's the one thing I don't like about it, is these thumb studs actually interfere with the cutting edge. You can see that right there, right along that, right here. It kind of interferes with the cutting, and then also with sharpening. It's my biggest complaint on this knife, but it's definitely kind of a bushcraft folder with a Scandi grind. And you can reverse the pocket clip to right or left carry, but it is only tip up carry. That's the one problem. There's no liners. That's why it's so light. It's a lightweight knife, and the tri-lock system is pretty solid. Let me give you another view. See that? That's how it locks in there. Okay, and this is a OD green handle. I'm going to baton some ironwood. This is a good test of the locking mechanism. You got to be careful when you do this, and I know it's not the smartest thing, but I really want to test this blade. I have to do it for the review. Pick some noni leaves to eat. Get some of the young, fresh ones. There we go. Noni leaves are edible. You can eat these noni leaves. You have to cook noni leaf. You can't just eat it. It's not very good raw. It's not very good cooked. But I like to make basically like a kale chip out of it. Get it real crisp, and then it's got some flavor to it. I don't know how much nutrients it will have. Like I get it like this, roughly, you know, about this cooked. It's pretty crispy, and it tastes okay. It's not the best. It's better than the fruit, that's for sure. Look at spinach. You could survive off of it. Definitely a survival food. Give you the stats of this knife. It's 3.4 ounces and it has a 3.5-inch blade. When open, it is 8 inches overall. Has a Scandi grind AUS 8A steel made in Taiwan by Cold Steel. No liner. Has a tri-lock setup, locking mechanism, reversible pocket clip, and a lanyard hole. Comfortable in hand, no hot spots. My only gripe is this thumb stud right there. Kind of interferes with sharpening and cutting. The Scandi grind does slice fairly well and process wood excellent. It was batoning really well, and I'm impressed with that. And the AUS 8 steel actually can hold an edge. I'm surprised. So there you go, the stat. Let's see how it slices. Seatbelt. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Let's double it up here. Yeah. Does a pretty good job. It's got some nice action. When I first got it, it was razor sharp and the fit and finish was decent. It was a little stiff in the beginning, but a little bit of lube and the locking mechanism works just fine. That's a solid locking mechanism. Jungle approved. For $30, $35, this is a great knife. Great knife. Even though I'm not into folders, you saw that it could baton ironwood. Wow, that's a solid locking mechanism right there. My only complaint is this thumb stud right there, the opening thumb stud. It interferes with cutting and sharpening, not a big deal. You can remove it. There's a screw slot right there. You can bring it in and out and remove it. And like I was saying, it's only tip up carry. That's another complaint, but that's minor. I like how you can switch it from left or right carry, and there's a lanyard hole. I really like that. And no liners, but not a big deal. It's a solid knife, comfortable in handle, and for $35, or I bought it for $31 off of Amazon, and I'll provide a link where you can go buy this particular knife if you want to, and it helps support the channel, and I thank you for that. That Scandi grind really processes wood really well. It batons real well, it splits the wood, it feather sticks, it carves, and it does hold an edge. People were saying it might not hold an edge, but you know what? For the past couple months, all I've really done is stropped it. And I've used it for work, around the homestead, camping, this review, stuff like that. I took it camping while filming a couple trips and other videos. So I've used this a lot, around the house and at work. So I'm pretty stoked. It's a nice, I didn't get it that time. It's not like your flipper, your quick flipper. I wish there was a bigger version of this. I'd like to see maybe a 4.5-inch blade, like just a bigger blade, bigger handle, right? That would be awesome with the same setup, same everything, just bigger. I think that would be really cool. So I'm gonna wrap this video up right here. Definitely Jungle approved. I thank you for the like, thank you for the comment, thank you for the subscription. Make sure you hit the bell symbol to get notifications for when I upload a video, and you can watch it and tell me what you think. Make sure you hit the link in the description box to buy this knife if you haven't already, or if you want to pick it up. And make sure you hit the bell symbol to get notifications for when I upload a video. You can watch it and tell me what you think. And until next time, aloha! Oh, and I forgot to mention, it does have a 90-degree spine. You saw that, right? My fire's out. That's good. I can take off now and pour some water on it, and we'll be safe. Yes, I'm not much of into folders, but this knife can open coconuts. It can do all sorts of stuff. It's tough, holds an edge. Great grind, solid lock. That lock really impresses me. Booyah!